I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook yogurt soup. Let's start by gathering our essential ingredients. You'll need about 4 cups of plain, full-fat yogurt for that rich, creamy base. We'll also use 1/2 cup of rice or bulgur, which should be rinsed well. Don't forget 1 small onion and 2 cloves of garlic, finely chopped, to build a flavorful foundation. Finally, fresh or dried mint and a touch of red pepper flakes will add a delightful finish. Now let's get cooking. In a medium pot, sauté your chopped onion and minced garlic in about 2 tablespoons of olive oil until they become translucent and fragrant. Next, add the rinsed rice or bulgur and toast it gently for just 1 minute. In a separate bowl, whisk together your yogurt with 1 egg yolk and 2 tablespoons of flour. This crucial step prevents the yogurt from curdling. Slowly temper this mixture by adding 1 cup of hot water from the pot, stirring constantly. With our base ready, it's time to bring everything together. Gradually pour the tempered yogurt mixture into the pot, making sure to stir continuously to maintain that smooth texture. Now, add about 3 cups of vegetable or chicken broth. This will give your soup the perfect consistency. Bring the soup to a gentle simmer over medium-low heat, stirring frequently to prevent sticking. Let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the rice or bulgur is perfectly tender. Almost done. Now let's perfect the flavor. Season your delicious yogurt soup with about 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, adjusting to your preference. For a classic finish, melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a small pan and gently fry 1 tablespoon of dried mint until fragrant. Ladle the warm soup into bowls, then drizzle generously with that aromatic mint butter. Garnish with fresh mint leaves or a sprinkle of red pepper flakes for a beautiful presentation and an extra kick of flavor. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.